Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Lee and I come from Bukit Mertajam. Now I'm staying in Kluang Johor. So if you are from Bukit Mertajam, you probably know that most of us are Teochew over there. Me, I'm a Teochew. The rest I'm not sure. But I studied in the convent Bukit Mertajam, CBM, from primary 1 until form 5. So I am actually I'm not educated in Chinese, but totally in English. But I was teaching in Chinese independent schools for some time, so I'm able to speak Mandarin, but of course understand Mandarin as well, but I'm able to read or write the Chinese language. Okay, anyway, if you are looking at the whiteboard now, you can see that we are actually at lesson 26, present perfect tense. So as you know, I'm actually uploading my own book. My YouTube channel is especially for my books. So so far, until this point, I'm still uploading my book. So previously I started with book 1. Book 2 is harder than book 1, of course. Book 1 has 38 lessons. And every question, every page is in my YouTube channel. So you are most welcome to watch my videos in my YouTube channel. Every question, every chapter, every page is in my YouTube channel. And now I'm uploading my level 2. So as I mentioned just now, level 2 is harder than level 1. Okay, so I would recommend that you start with level 1 instead of jumping to level 2. Unless you want to skip totally, then it's fine. Level 2 has 40 lessons. This is actually the inside of the book. You can see the content. 40 lessons altogether, 133 pages. So there are more than 1,000 questions in this book. And we are already at lesson 26, meaning to say we have another 14 lessons to go and this book is finished. I have completed uploading every question, every page, every lesson of this book. 133 pages in all. So today we are already at present perfect tense. So what is present perfect tense? First of all, the rule. For present perfect tense, for I, you, we or they, we use has. For he, she or it, we use has. After the word have, after the word has, we put a past participle. So what is a past participle? Past participle is the third verb, the third place. For example, eat. The past tense is ate, second place. The third place is eaten. This third place is called the past participle. Sing, sang, sung. So sing is the first place. Sang is the second place. Sung is the third place. And sung is called the past participle. If you are talking about one person, one animal, one thing, one place, you use has followed by a PP. PP means past participle. If you are talking about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, more than one place, then you use have followed by PP, past participle. Okay? Now, why or when do we use the present perfect tense? As you know, tenses talk about time. When did it happen? The time. So, for present perfect tense, no time is mentioned. Not every day, now, yesterday, tomorrow, no. No time is mentioned. Because we do not know when or we did not mention. So we use the present perfect tense. The only thing is that we can see the effect, we can see the consequence, we can see the result. but we don't know when it happened. So we use these three to represent. We use already. Already is the action has taken place, but we do not know when, or we don't mention when. We only say that it's already done. So you can see the effect, you can see the outcome, you can see the result. Or you use not yet. When you use not, you use yet. Or you use just. Just means it happened not long ago, but still we don't know when. The only thing we can see is that you can see the result. You know that it has happened, that's all. So all tenses have time except present perfect tense. Present perfect tense has no time. No time is mentioned. Either we don't know when it happened, or we simply did not mention. Alright? So as usual, I'm going to read all this out. If you have the book, you can turn to page 66 now and 67. Exercise 1. I have not tidied my bedroom yet. So not yet. Okay, yet is used with not, that's number 1. When you use I, you need to use have. And then the base form tidy becomes tidied. Y change to IED. So it's tidy, tidied, tidied. The second and the third place are the same. The past participle and the second place are the same. Tidy, tidied, tidied. She has bought all the books needed for school already. Can you see? Already. So we only tell you already. That means it has been done, but we do not know when, or we did not mention when. The only thing is we can see all the books in her hands or in her bag. For she, we use has. For buy, it becomes bought. So buy, bought, bought. Second and third place are the same. They have not seen their new house yet. Again, not is with yet. See becomes seen. So seen is the past participle. So actually, see, S-E-E. Second place is saw, third place is seen. See, saw, seen. Seen is the past participle. Okay? Not yet. He has just written an essay about the environment. So has just written, but we don't know when. The only thing is we can see the effect. We can see the essay is done. This word, I have heard so many times, written, written, written. No. You pronounce written. Write, wrote, written. Okay? So has written. You have repaired your bicycle already. Do I mention the time? No. Do I know the time? No. But I use already. When we use you need to use have and then repair, put ed. The only thing I can tell you is the bicycle can be used now. The effect is that. But I do not know when you repair it. Alright? We have just swept the floor. Just. So the floor is clean. But we do not know when. We did not mention when. So we have swept. Sweep, swept, swept. Second and third place are the same. It has slept on the sofa already. Again, you can see the word already, but we don't know when. But we know that the cat is still sleeping. When we talk about it, it's already there, already started the action. But we do not know when. We can only see the cat closing the eyes and on the sofa. This side. Encik Faizal has met the customers already. Encik Faizal is one person, so you use has. Meet becomes met. Meet, met, met. Second and third place are the same. Again, behind here is already. We do not know when, but we know that the effect is he has spoken to them. He has met them already. The fishermen have just caught a big fish. M-E-N. M-E-N is more than one, so we use have. If one is M-A-N, so if it is M-A-N, then we use has. Caught, has just caught a big fish. Now, I again have heard students, especially primary school students, they pronounce this word as catch, catch. So I want to tell you that it's not catch. I want to tell you that it is caught, caught. The most is you stress on the T sound if you like, caught, but not catch, catch, no. I always hear this, you know, especially the SJKC students. So if you are a teacher listening to me now, or a parent listening to me now, please tell your students or your children to pronounce as caught or caught, not caught, no. The little rabbit has not eaten the carrot yet, so not yet. Rabbit is one, so we use has. Can you see eaten? Eat, ate, eaten, the third place. The third place is called the past participle. So not yet. Okay? The effect is that the action is not done. Those pupils have swept the floor already. Pupils many got S here, so you use have. Sweep, swept, swept. So second and third place are the same. Already. Do you know when? No. Do you know at what time it happened? No. So you have to use the present perfect tense. The only thing is that the floor is clean. The effect is you can see the floor is clean. The train has not arrived at the station yet. So again, not yet. Arrived. Arrived has got E, so you just put D. Arrived, arrived, arrived. Second and third place are the same. My grandfather has just drunk a cup of tea. So grandfather is one person, so you use has. And then drink becomes drunk. Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Third place. Okay, we don't know when, but we know that the tea is in the stomach. That's the effect. Okay? Sophia and her sister have gone to the post office already. Again, already. Do you know when? No. Was it mentioned when? No. No time is mentioned. But we know that at the time we are speaking, Sophia and her sister are not here. They have gone. They are not here anymore. Okay? So gone. Go, went, gone. Third place. Past participle. The factory workers have not rested yet. Workers S, so it means many have. And then not yet. Not yet means the action has not been carried out. So rest, rested, rested. Second and third place are the same, put ED. Our neighbors have just come back from the park. Again, just. Just means not long ago. But do you know when? No. We know that they are not in the park. The result is they are already at home. Now, come. Come, came, come. So the word come is used as the base form, the first place. The second place is came, C-A-M-E. But the third place, the past participle, come again. So come, came, come. Therefore, the word come, the base form and the past participle are the same. Are the same. Okay, if you have been following me, or if you have the book, you can go and see forms of the verb. You can see that. That is why I mentioned before. You have to learn forms of the verb first before you actually come to all these tenses. Then you won't feel why come, what is come, what will come become. You know, so come becomes came, becomes come again. Alright, the list. So you know that I have published these two books, level 1, level 2, and I told you just now, level 2 is more difficult, is harder, a little bit harder than level 1. Level 1 has 38 lessons, level 2 has 40 lessons. So as I told you just now, we are now at lesson 26, so we have another 14 lessons. And this book, every page, every question, every chapter is inside my YouTube channel, so you can watch. And if you want to learn speaking, go to my TikTok or my Instagram, you can watch. So I separate. My TikTok and Instagram is especially for speaking now, for now, and my YouTube channel is for my lessons according to the book which I have published. Is all grammar, okay? And you can see from here, my 2 English learning centers are coming very soon, Cyberjaya, Subang Jaya. So if you are staying there, or you can come and see me in these 2 places, then now WhatsApp to me and make friends with me first, so that when I open, you will be the first person to know. And the courses that I offer in these 2 centers, in these 2 English language centers are very wide. So I offer English to kindergarten, primary school, secondary school students, secondary school leavers, university students, university graduates, civil servants or government staff, private sectors, people working in the private sectors, housewives or people who are not working. Okay, anyone can learn. Okay, another thing is that the English that I offer is not Malaysian English only, like MUET, SPM, not only that, or UASA, but outside Malaysia as well. That means I offer English Malaysia for Malaysian use as well as for overseas. For example, TOEFL, IELTS, or A levels, O levels, or what you call IGCSE. I offer all. So you are free to come and join my classes or have individual class, and you can physically see me, not see me in the video. Okay, make friends with me. You can always WhatsApp to me. Alright, so remember to give me a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next lesson. The next lesson will be lesson 27, conditional tenses, where you use the word if. Okay, so goodbye and see you again.